What I wish I knew when I started gardening: pole beans are game changers. Hey, garden enthusiasts, ready to grow more in less space? Today, we're diving into why pole beans should be your go-to plant for a thriving, space-efficient garden. First off, pole beans are amazing climbers. They can reach heights of 6 feet or more, so they need strong vertical support. Think trellises, fences, or garden stakes. The higher they climb, the more beans you'll get. More vertical space means more harvest. It's that simple. Now, let's talk benefits. Unlike bush beans that give you just one big harvest, pole beans keep on producing throughout the growing season. That's right, continuous fresh beans for months. Plus, by growing upwards, they leave plenty of room for other crops in your garden. Efficient and productive, what's not to love? Want to get started? Plant your pole beans in full sun and well-drained soil. Keep the soil evenly moist, especially when they're flowering. This helps with healthy pod development and ensures you get the best beans possible. Pole beans are perfect for maximizing vertical space and enjoying a continuous harvest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy growing!